This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Katie Burke. Open house Saturday 10/16/11 to one beautiful traditional 2-story on 12 acres, one owner home located in Pungo with almost 8 acres. Home to be sold with land that is an additional 4+ acres, tax 241-106-1152 extension 0000. New floors, new carpet and fresh paint throughout, new windows. Open floor plan, shows with tons of ownership pride. Come check it out now. This home has all bedrooms on the second floor with a formal dining area, huge den kitchen and breakfast area located on the first floor. For more information, review the details below or contact Katie Burke at 757-403-0911.